To be an innovator in my field, it's an honor, it's a thrill, it's what gets you to work in the morning. To take a new technology and identify it and know how to put it out in the field and then see it on television, whether it's that day or something that's a permanent change, is just a wonderful, it's the best part of the job. I'm Peter McGowan, News Operations Manager, WCBS TV. There was a gas line building explosion in Paterson, New Jersey. I sent one of my guys out there with a drone, and we were able to see a crib that had been destroyed, a baby's doll, a kitchen sink. And the reason that law enforcement and the fire officials saw value in that is because that picture was all over the place in a way that viewers hadn't seen before for a good 36 hours of a news cycle. And that was their way of telling the viewer visually, hey, if you smell gas, this is what could happen to you. And that's the kind of thing that we look for, is that real value added to the story, a different perspective, but it also serves a journalistic purpose and a public service. I'm in charge of news gathering, field operation, editors, intake. Pretty much if you watch the 5 o'clock news and you see somebody standing out there in the field, I'm responsible for that one way or the other. Viewers are expecting, when they see a story, that it's well produced, that it's well shot, and they want to see something different, and they want to see something cool. And when we first started seeing drone footage, particularly with the high quality, it just blows away. We want to make sure that we're going to do this, but that we're going to be responsible and add to the viewer journalistic experience. And there were a lot of concerns about it. Drones have almost started off with a bad name because there are a lot of people out there who don't know the rules. But our job is to really set the bar. And drones are probably the most exciting thing to come along in terms of news gathering and in terms of that viewer experience on the big screen, really since the helicopter. It's compelling, it's exciting. We are absolutely in its infancy. I could easily see a drone being as standard equipment as a tripod and a camera. And it's exciting to be on the ground floor of that, and that's where we love to be.